Amazon is secretly draining your ads budget and you're letting it happen. Most sellers waste thousands because of these simple mistakes. Fix them and your ad spend will actually start making you money. The common reasons your Amazon ads aren't optimized are your targeting is too broad, your bidding is too high or too low, your product listing sucks. We're gonna go over in detail how we can fix each of these issues. So let's say your targeting is too broad. For example, you're selling organic dog shampoo, but you're showing up for searches for cat shampoo. How do you fix this? You can use exact and phrase match campaigns or even broad campaigns with really exclusive negative keywords to make sure you start showing up for relevant searches. This forces Amazon to show your ads only to the right people. You want to analyze your search term reports, look at what you're actually bidding on, and remove anything that's not relevant to your product in your listing. And you also want to experiment with different category targeting. If you have any specific questions, feel free to comment below and we'll go ahead and try to address them right there. So the next one is you're bidding too high or maybe too low on your keywords. If it's too high, Amazon's just wasting money when you could have gotten the same clicks for less. Too low and your ads are barely getting seen. Most sellers actually use Amazon suggested bids, but Amazon's goal is to get you to spend more. So how do you fix it? You start with a conservative bid and then you increase it gradually. Don't let Amazon overcharge you. So you start with the lowest bid possible and only raise it if you're not getting clicks. You want to check your ACoS or your advertising cost of sale. If you're spending 50% to make 20%, you're losing money. You need to make sure your ads are profitable because if they're not profitable, your business will not last very long. Find your break-even point and use that to guide your decision making. You can also adjust your placements, such as top-up search, featured pages, and you want to adjust your bids for where exactly you're going to convert the best. So for example, you might only convert at top of search, so you need to target for that versus rest of search. A pro tip is that you can actually leverage off Amazon traffic to boost your organic rankings on Amazon. So let's say you have a newsletter with people who follow you. Promote your Amazon listing in that newsletter so that way you push all this external traffic to Amazon and get some purchases that way. That'll actually increase your rank on Amazon and then help your ads perform better because now you have a higher organic ranking. If you can get yourself to be Amazon's best choice, that's even better. Your sales are going to skyrocket. And we can help you with all those things. Third, your product listing sucks. If you don't have good images, good feature bullets, a good title, good description, then I don't care what you're spending on ads, it's gonna flop. You need to invest in the proper A+ content, the proper photography, proper keyword titles. If you need help with e-commerce, Amazon advertising, Walmart ads, eBay ads, just shoot us a message and we're happy to help.